We started CTRI in 2007.
CTRI exists to inspire learning and to improve lives. I mean, that at a fundamental level, that describes everything we do.
One of the reasons that we exist as an organization is to really get great information out into the world.
And we believe that everyone should be trauma informed, and so our training and resources are created with that purpose in mind.
What also is important is that we make sure that our resources are accessible.
Education and learning is a lifelong goal. So with the work that we do here, that's an opportunity, especially for First Nations groups.
Well, our community is quite diverse.
I think there's lots of layers.
It's actually everybody.
It's really anybody who wants to access training and resources.
Anybody that has an interest in professional development, in improving themselves in terms of how they help other people.
Everybody who reads our blogs, it's everybody who reads our books, it's everybody who comes to us as a trusted provider of resources.
Our trainers, our consultants, our facilitators, they are also part of that community.
Our trainers are an integral part of the work that we do.
They are very enthusiastic, they're very passionate.
Very skilled, very talented. Often they're going into an on-location training with very unique needs, and they are able to be flexible.
And we're incredibly fortunate to have the kind of expertise that we do with our trainers.
What am I most proud of when it comes to CTRI is that we have stayed true to our mission and vision.
Our ability and capacity to bring our trainings to remote communities.
But also, we're not afraid to talk about some really tough topics. And they somehow create an environment that makes it okay to talk about it.
Proud of the fact that we don't have just one workshop that we offer. We have 80 different trainings we offer and growing.
I think one of the things in particular that I'm proud of is that people like to come here, like our staff like to be here. And that's, I don't know, I don't think that's a small thing.
One of the things that inspires me about working here is that I am surrounded by other highly talented, highly motivated people.
I think I'm inspired every day when I come to work because I work with such a passionate group of people.
What inspires me about my work are the connections I make with our clients and our trainers.
I am most inspired by the great people that I meet.
What inspires me about our work is the sheer number of people who want to do better, who want to learn, who want to grow.
What I believe CTRI contributes to society is a way of doing training that brings in the highest level of quality and respect for where people are at.
You know, at the end of the day, our organization makes the world a better place. That's what we're here for.